Want to add friends in Roblox but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to add friends in Roblox. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on the party button from the bottom of the screen. Then tap on the add friends button. You can add friends by searching their name or by sending them an invite. To search their profile, tap on the search bar and enter the username. After that, tap on the add button. Another way is by sharing your QR code. To share your QR code, tap on the share QR code button. You can share this QR code by tapping on the share profile link button. If you want to scan your friend's QR code, tap on the icon from the top right corner. And that's how you can add friends in Roblox. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.